Hello my lovely friend, myself Miraj and welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are talking about the beautiful, fruity and very useful plants tomato. So tomato is a plant that we used in work like spreading in vegetable, making sauce and etc. This plant is so good in taste. So this is my one of the most favorite plant in my garden. So in this video we are going to talk about its care routine or tips. Let's get started. So the first thing I go to share with you guys this plant sunlight, that where we need to keep this plant indoor or outdoor. So although we all know that firstly tomato give flower then fruit. Actually tomato is a fruit, not a vegetable. That some people think that this is a vegetable. Approximately all the plants that give us flower, fruity and vegetable, those plants require lot of sunlight. We can say that 12 hours of sunlight. So you need to keep this plant at outdoor. If you live any flat or any apartment that you not able to get a proper amount of sunlight, then you can grow in balcony. But in that case, your plant is healthy, but it give little amount of flowers and fruit. If you grow this plant in shade, in that case, I am talking about this. So try to keep this plant into outdoor. Next thing we talk it's watering care. This plant store already high amount of water into his stem leaf. So try to give water when his upper soil is little dry. Never give water on its stem or leaves. If you give water on its stem daily, so in that case there is a big chance to fungus of this plant. So try to give water on his soil only. Otherwise his stem and roots will going to rot or die. So the next thing is his fertilizer. Not give a very high amount of fertilizer to his plant, because when you give high amount of fertilizer in it, this is so there is a big chance to this plant that the plant is going to in dormancy or in rest period. You can give cow dung, that is very important to all flowering fruity and leafy plant, and you can grow kitchen fertilizer in it. And also you can give spraying fungicide fertilizer on this plant. This is the information of this fertilizing tips. The next things care are soil mixture, that what we need to keep the soil soft, drainy and not so hardy. If you potted this plant, make sure that you should add 40% of garden soil, 20% sand, 20% construction material in that we used in making a building or any house, that we get little rocks is known as construction material, 10% of fungicide powder, 10% of cocoa beet. If you added these things, so your soil not store water at large period of time, because if the water live in soil into large amount of time or a period of time, so that the root is going to rot. We all know that. So if you grow this plant in garden, so never mind. When you grow this plant in pot, then try to buy large pot, maximum 20 to 22 inches long, because this plant need deep soil and these roots are going to in very deep. So this is the almost all care tips of this is the care tips of this plant. So you follow these things, then your plant is totally gonna healthy and give large amount of fruit. I also use these things and this is so good. If you like my video, so please like this video, share and comment to recommend me that what I made this the video for which plant, and please subscribe my channel. Okay besties, bye and see you soon and take care.